cute! Oh my god!
Why are you still here? Go away!
Wilson just coughed and farted.
I need an egg. Thank you.
These people were lost and stopped to ask for directions.
Buenas tardes, perdona, ¿para Bolonia? Para allá. Venga, gracias.
¡Qué bueno, tío! ¡Ole! Oh my god!
He's eating my car. Maybe there's something dead in it.
This sheep was stuck in a trench and got rescued.
Молодец, Свет. Умничка. Умничка. Все, операция удалась. Дурак!
Thank you for being so patient. You've been so patient.
Not the other one.
Okay, now. Be careful.
This poor little hedgehog deflated. These girls found a squirrel on the side of the road that they thought could use some help.
Oh my god.
This person tried picking up a frog.
1, 2, 3.
You did not.
Go, Saskia. Hey, you almost done?
Please, Horace! Horace, no, that won't go in your cheek. Come here. No, no. Pass me the bun.
This streamer was trying to sneak up on this deer without scaring it. A zoo installed a new security camera and it scared the snow leopard.
He's like, oh, there's a camera. I see how it is. Rude.
So this is really interesting and I have no explanation for why, but this frog refuses to jump outside of this circle.
Yeah?
Oh my god. Nah, that's the maddest, bro. Bro? That's sick. Gonna put it on, bro?
No, he's not gonna put it on.
Bro, he's gonna put it on, bro.
He's not gonna put it
on. Nah!
Hi.
For some reason, this horse doesn't like talking to men.
No boys, right? Especially not this one.